Foxhound here. Today I'm going to be doing a review of my Anakin Episode 3 saber from Ultrasabers. I've had this thing for a few months now. I don't remember when I got it, but I've had it for a few months. I battled with it a week ago, and I will get to that later. But let me do a review of the saber in its entirety. Altogether, it's a really good saber. I love this saber. It's my favorite hilt of them all. I actually have the original Master Replica's unaltered saber that just sits on my wall. This one's perfect. I love this saber to death. This button here, the activation switch, in my opinion, works a lot better than the Master Replica's does. It's actually more stiff. It doesn't just slide around like the Master Replica's button does. And moving up, when they converted it, they changed this button's color because they have to break it to convert it. As you can see in the back, it's more of a bronzy type color, as this is more of a gold. It doesn't bother me at all, but on the Master Replicas, they're both the same color. With the Hasbro, they changed them to the bronze from the gold. I don't know why. But moving on up, there's the emitter. Down inside is the LED, which I believe is a Luxian 3. And you know, altogether it has a good weight. It's, in my opinion, the best saber that you could possibly get. Moving on to the sound. The sound is perfect. These batteries are a little bit old. I've had them in them for a while now. But here we go. As you can see, sound quality is just perfect. And trying to get some of the clash sounds out of it. As you can see, the sound is just amazing. It is super loud. More than enough it needs to be. In my opinion, the sound is better on the Hasbro versions than it is on the Master Replicas. But that's just me. As you can see, the light is really, really bright. I mean, it's just super, super bright. I mean, I can walk outside and shine this thing down the street, and you can see it from really far away. The only drawback is that I battled with this thing about a week ago, and like I said, I've had it for a few months now, and I don't know what exactly happened, but after about between 7 to 10 impacts against another Ultrasabers blade, heavy dueling blades, both of them, I got these breaks in the emitter. I can show you them right now. As you can see, that one right there, it's a crack. Moving on to the more substantial one, which goes all the way through. You can't really see it into the black part, but it goes all the way through. And I mean, this thing is broken. I was under the impression that when they converted them, that these emitters are aluminum metal, and as you can see, it's just plastic, some pretty cheap, flimsy plastic. And as you can see, the light shines through it, shines through this part here, because it's just plastic. I'm pretty disappointed in this because of the fact that I'm not going to even be able to duel with this thing anymore. It's just going to have to sit on my shelf and be a decoration, pretty much. And overall, the saber was nice. I still really like it. It's just, I was very, very disappointed about this crappy plastic emitter. And I believe on the Ultrasaber site, it even says that they convert them to aircraft grade aluminum or something. I'm not exactly sure. I'd have to look again. But as far as I go, I probably wouldn't get another one just because of the fact that I would like to duel with them, and I'll probably be getting more sabers from them in the future, but I'm going to make sure that if I do, that it's going to be metal, because this thing is just no good. I can't fight with it anymore, which is the whole point. These things are supposed to be duel-worthy sabers once they're converted, and after a few blows of pretty light dueling, it was more choreographed than anything. I can't even fight with it anymore, so I wouldn't get it again. Just that's me. But I mean, I paid $300 for something that's just gonna sit on my shelf. So hope you liked the review.